Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. In this video, I'm going to show you two websites with which you can do keyword research for your t-shirt designs, which you are gonna upload to different print on demand platforms. And these are really powerful tools because it will help you and show you the trends which are very important so that you can upload trending designs and get most amount of sales from your print on demand. And this is going to be really interesting, so keep watching this video till the end because everything will be covered step by step. So yes guys, we are into our computer and let me show you two of the awesome websites with which you can do keyword research for your print on demand designs, as well as you can also find keywords which are really trending, and if you make designs regarding those keywords then you are gonna make the most amount of money. But before that, you can just press the subscribe button so that I can get a bit more motivated to make these awesome videos for you. And let's get started. So the first website is known as redbubble.dabu.ro. Okay, so this is really awesome website and it provides new data and new information every single week about which of the keywords are trending on Redbubble or which designs are trending on Redbubble. Now, why I am showing you the tools for Redbubble? Because Redbubble is the easiest print on demand platform because you don't have to do the marketing by yourself. Redbubble will do it for you. But the thing is that Redbubble also needs to do some, you also need to do some SEO for Redbubble so that Redbubble can send you some good amount of traffic. And if you are making trending designs, definitely you are gonna get most amount of traffic and you are gonna make more and more sales. So all you need to do is come over to this website and you just need to click over here, which is Redbubble's popular tags. Okay, once you click on that and you will find this entire sheet in which they are showing that this was updated on 14th September. So you can see these are the trending designs or the trending things which people are searching on Redbubble, and you can use this data and make your designs according to this data. This is really interesting because all you need to do is find out the designs or find out the keywords which have less than 1000 results, and that could be something in which you can make your designs which is thus less than 1000, and then you can just start uploading those designs to your Redbubble and definitely you can get more and more sales. This is really simple. All you need to do is come to this website and search because there are so many pages and you will find so many keywords on which you can make designs which have really low competition, and in this way you can pop up on the first page of Redbubble and make more sales and make more money. Now let me show you the second website. The link will be given in the description, so don't worry, you just don't need to go to Google and find all the stuff. Okay, now the second website is known as bubbletrends.herokuapp.com. Okay, the link is there in the description. So all you need to do is come to this website and just search for get today's trends, and you will find a list of keywords which are trending today on Redbubble or which people are searching on Redbubble today. So you can see all these trending keywords are available. Okay, so you can see this has got, there are so many keywords which have less than 1000 results, which is really awesome because keywords which have less than 1000 results are really interesting because you can get most amount of sales on these keywords as there's very less competition. So you can just come to this website, get the keywords which are trending and just make designs according to that, and in this way you can really make some good amount of designs, some trending designs, get some sales and make some money. Okay, so these are the two websites which I am personally using for my Redbubble, and you can also use the designs and increase your revenue, make more money, or you can get your first sale if you are gonna use these two websites to get more sales for your website. So this is gonna be really interesting. So to take action, the links are there in the description. Just go and just check out these two awesome websites. So guys, these are two awesome websites which you can use for your keyword research for your print on demand business and get more sales and earn more money. So for more videos just like this, press the like button, press the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy.